In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix microphone not working on a HP laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, if your microphone is not working in Google Chrome in Windows 11, the issue is almost caused by a blocked permission layer, either within the browser itself or inside Windows security. So what you want to do is go ahead and open up Google Chrome. So I'm just going to open up Chrome right now. And then once you're here, go to the top search bar, and then we want to go ahead and type in support.google.com, or what we want to do is go over to site settings, which is on the top left of the URL right here. Now, in the overlay layout that drops down, locate microphone and switch the toggle to on. And if you don't see it, go over to site settings, and then you're going to see microphone, and by default, it's going to be on ask. You want to switch it to allow. And what I can also do is switch it for whatever website I want as well, because there's a bunch here, and then I can, manage permissions for all of them. So let's say I wanted to go on X or anything like that. I could choose the exact thing. So I can have microphone and put it to allow, and then I'll be good to go. And what I should also go ahead and do is go out of Chrome and then press the Windows key and then I, and then it's going to open up this settings page right here. And then once I'm here, go over to privacy and security, and then I'm going to see microphone right here. Make sure microphone access is enabled, and make sure it is enabled for Chrome too. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.